is now slated for tomorrow. We could see this getting into some sort of a long-drawn legal battle now.
Definitely, this could be a long-term legal battle, but how much of the arguments will hold in court is something we need to understand. The temple administration and the trustees may have gone to the courts, they have gone to the streets protesting against this. But it is visual evidence, usually that we know how the courts look at it, we look at evidence, and then the matter obviously is up to the court to decide. But here, on one hand, an investigation was conducted by the Shri's office. A report also had been submitted in 2024 regarding this, and a recommendation also was made to the state government asking the temple should be taken over. And based on various other evidences that this action had taken place. So, like you said, long-term legal battle, we'll have to see what the courts have to say.
In fact, stay with us, Rohini. We have BJP's Mr. Ashok Gowda joining us. Mr. Ashok Gowda, you have the BJP and several other right-wing groups criticizing this move. But Mr. Ramlinga Reddy pointing out that during BJP's time, 8 different temples were taken over by the government and administrators were appointed there.
See, there is a procedure. If there is any kind of a mishappening happening inside the temple premises and their funds have been misutilized, there is a procedure to be followed. There should be a warning given first. Second thing is there should be an administrator authorized to sign on the behalf of the temple authority. Second procedure. Third procedure is that administrator should get involved in the activities and then they should be taken over. This is the procedure according to 1997 Endorsement Act amendments which were passed in 1997. And without any kind of a procedure being followed in the Gali Anjaneya Swami temple, the state government of Karnataka, headed by the Congress, Siddaramaiah has taken over this Gali Anjaneya temple, which is very, very, very religiously important for all the Kannadigas in the region. That is point 1. Point 2. When Siddaramaiah was chief minister during 2013 to 2018, he has written the same thing for Rajikuta temple, which is also an Anjaneya temple, and several matas were also supposed to be taken. Over 16 matas and more than 23 temples he wanted to take over. Just like that. And all these temples and all these matas fought with the government then in the court and said that there is nothing doing, we are not going to hand over these temples to the endowment board. And this is what saved the temples then. I request Siddaramaiah to just to apply his mind and Ramlinga Reddy just to apply his mind. Just because there is small dispute which is happening.
In this case, Mr. Ashok Gowda, that footage